Okay, I'm going to show you how to get to this week's assignments. Email me if you have any trouble following along on the screencast, and I can set up a Google Meet and walk you to it more individually. But what we're going to do this week is a couple of the practice sections. So just to get to this SAT section, if you're home at Khan Academy, it'll look different for you than me. You should always see this courses in the left, upper left, and you can actually just go to SAT test prep and it'll bring you to this exact page. This is your dashboard, but you'll notice there's a dashboard, practice, tips and strategies, full test is what you did last week, review. The review is just your past, and then practice is really going to be where we're going to go. Full test was last week, and you can see what you've completed. So for your actual sections for this week, you're going to do the first one, which is reading science. Most of us, when I was looking in the scores that I did have, seemed to struggle on the science section. So we're going to start off with that. If you've already done it, cool. I know a couple of you had, instead of doing diagnostic exams 2 weeks ago, did the whatever recommendations were up top. And so that's fine. If you already did it, you can skip it. You can choose to do a different one in its place. I'll really leave it up to you. You can even do math. I know that you did SAT math first quarter, and now you might be saying to yourself, gonna get a little rusty before August or September or October, so I want to practice a little bit of math. It's up to you. This class is all about what you need to get you to the finish line. So if you've already done the reading in science, you don't have to, but if you just click practice, it'll take you right to the 10 questions that are assigned. And then the other ones that are assigned are going to be, you've already done precision and concision, you've already done style and tone, and so you're going to do effective language use syntax, and then I'm just going to have you do the end of sentence punctuation and within sentence punctuation. All three of these are 5 questions each, so they shouldn't take you all that long to do, but they also have examples on the side, which is really convenient. And as you go through the practice, you'll notice that some stuff will pop up that if you want to do any reviews, you can. I can assign to you review articles. So if you're doing this practice and you say, you know what, I want more of the articles, I just don't know where to find them, just email me and I can assign you articles. But it felt a little silly to assign you articles when you can actually just do the practice in this section. I just can't, as a coach or teacher, assign you this practice for some reason. So start with the practice, and if you find that you're having trouble, I'll send you the review materials, and I can always make up some review materials for you as well. I think that's about it for this week. Next week, or the next 2 weeks are your AP exams. So I'm going to take it a little bit easier, but I will give you some optional work too if you want to keep it going. And if you don't have APs, you may find that you have a little extra time because all of your teachers are going lighter. So I'll still assign some work for you to do, and then I'll kind of leave it up to you if you are taking APs, how much you can. I'm going to ask for communication. That's the biggest thing. It's very, I'll be very flexible. I just need to hear from you a little bit more. Some of you I'm hearing from all the time. Others I'm having a really hard time getting in touch with. So make sure if you haven't been communicating or you've been MIA that you shoot me an email or you explain to me what's going on this week. All right. Enjoy your weeks, and I'll talk to you soon.